Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I will be recreating Crumbl Cookies Strawberry Ice Cream Bar Cookie. This is a flavor that's available right now in August, at least to the week that I'm filming this. And it's a strawberry ice cream bar cake that kind of looks like the Good Humor Strawberry Shortcake popsicle that I grew up eating and I absolutely loved and was kind of obsessed with, I'm not gonna lie. To kick things off, there was no set recipe for this, so I had to get creative. I made a classic sugar cookie that was extra thick, and I also folded in some freeze-dried strawberries to give it that strawberries and cream feel. From there, like every signature Crumbl cookie, it's topped with a nice layer of buttercream. So I made a simple vanilla buttercream and I just spread that on top. It was honestly so satisfying to make those beautiful, beautiful swirls on top of each cookie. And then after I added that layer of buttercream over each cookie, I moved on to the strawberry crumble or the strawberry shortcake streusel that kind of lives on top of each of these cookies. So for the strawberry streusel or the shortcake crumble, I use this recipe from a TikTok baker that I absolutely love. She makes beautiful cinnamon rolls and conchas and different kinds of buns, but she made a berries and cream cinnamon roll with this kind of topping, and it looked so good and so perfect for this cookie. Essentially, you'll combine some milk powder, flour, sugar, a little bit of salt, and melted butter, and mix that together and bake it off for about 15 minutes. Once that's done, just slide it into 2 tablespoons of about freeze-dried strawberries, or you could even use strawberry jello mix as well. And just mix those things together. I found that by using freeze-dried strawberries, it was a little bit more of a darker red compared to using a jello mix, which may have been a softer pink color. And I think the softer pink color is more of the classic sort of strawberry shortcake feel, especially with those popsicles that I used to eat. All right, and then the final step is after you make that crumble topping, definitely give it a try. It's so good with that milk powder. I know Christina Tosi uses that product pretty often as well in a lot of her baked goods, and there's something about milk powder that just feels so nostalgic. It kind of just brings me back to my childhood and like classic American cereal. So anyway, give each cookie a generous dousing of that crumble. Feel free to go hard and put as much as you want. A lot of the crumble kind of falls off initially, so just keep going and keep at it. And there you go, that is how you make the strawberry ice cream bar cookie from Crumbl Cookies. Like every Crumbl cookie, it is pretty sweet because it has that layer of frosting, but I do feel like it is a soft, buttery cookie that has notes of tanginess and a little bit of acidity from the freeze-dried strawberries. And the crumble on top is honestly to die for. I was just eating it by the spoonfuls. So if anything, just make the crumble and eat that because that would be an absolutely delicious snack. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And if you want me to recreate another Crumbl cookie recipe, also let me know which one in the comments down below. All right, I'll see you all next time. Bye!